Princess World. Today I'm going to be showing you a shoe that I actually just got in the mail today, and it is the Puma X Buffalo London collaboration. And these shoes are actually a result of me shopping on Black Friday and Cyber Monday. I did get a lot of good deals looking through all the sites. However, I still damaged my wallet. I think it's internally crying, or maybe I'm internally crying. I don't know. It's a bit of both. However, I do have a lot of cool shoes that are still coming in the mail. I'm so excited to show you. They are coming in slowly but surely, and those will be a video in the future. However, I have these ones here with me today. And if you don't know what Buffalo London is, it's actually a brand that is based in Germany. Their headquarters is in Germany, and they were popularized in the 90s because the Spice Girls wore them. And I feel that everything in the 90s is making its comeback. It's like a walk down my childhood, like memory lane, and it's quite fun and exciting. And for these shoes, as you can see, the box is huge. Buffalo London is known for their huge platform shoes. If you see those Instagram girls wear them, some Insta baddies or like hunky girls, they like to wear these shoes and they look so cool. So I got myself a pair, and I can't wait to be able to show you all. And the ones that I actually got today is the Suede Classics X Buffalo in the color Mellow Rose Puma White. And I got these in my size 7. I actually really love the packaging of this box. I think it's so chic. When I first opened it from like the outer packaging and saw this shoe box, I absolutely loved it because it's so chic and sleek with the black and then the yellow trim. And you'll see that in the middle they have their Puma and Buffalo London logo, as well with everything on the side that is matching. I am so excited to open these, so let me go ahead and just take off the lid right now. And when you first open it, you'll see there is some tissue paper with also the both logos on it. And here are the shoes. Oh my goodness, they look so big on camera too. It's like as big as my head. Oh my gosh, I don't even know how I'm gonna wear them, but they look so edgy and chic. I can't wait. There's actually 4 other colors. There's the black ones and white ones, and there's also beige and this pink one that I got. And this one, I liked it more than the beige ones because I was worried I was gonna get the beige ones dirty. I don't have much luck. I'm also worried about getting these ones dirty actually, but I do have a way to clean suede, only minor like scratches and stuff. So if you're interested, I can make a video about how to clean suede too. However, these ones here is actually the Puma suede and the Buffalo London shoe combined into one. There is a Puma suede with like a regular platform, so you can also see those shoes. It basically looks like this top part here, but just a regular like sole. So this is so cool. I can't wait to wear these and style outfits. I'm gonna be so tall in these. So here are the shoes up close, and this is the side, and then we have the front view, the other side, and the back right here. As usual, I want to start out with the front right here, and you'll see that everything is actually in the same color. And right here, let me go closer so you can see the fabric. It's actually a suede, and it's super nice material. I love the pink color. And then right here you'll see the foil print of Puma suede, which is the style of the Puma shoe. All the Buffalo London shoes, their platform soles look like this. They have, I feel like this is their like logo for their shoes to know that this is a Buffalo London shoes. And I really like how they incorporated both designs into one shoe for both of the brands. And on the bottom right here, this is how it looks, and then you'll see that it says Buffalo here on the bottom. Also on one side, you'll see that you'll find the Buffalo logo on this imprint right here, but on the other side, this is the inner side, you won't see anything. It's just a plain one. So on the outside, people can't see the logo back there. And then lastly, there is the logo of Puma on the back that's just silver and foil printed right here. On the tongue, they have a satin tag, which is super cute. It's also in the same pink rose color, and then we have Puma, Buffalo, and then the white background, so you can see both of the logos very clearly. Let me show you the inner sole right here. Right there is the both logos again. I can't wait to try them on and tell you how they feel. I don't know if they're actually gonna be exactly the most comfortable to walk in, but you know that they're gonna be very stylish and they're gonna stand out a lot. If you want shoes that will make you stand out, these are gonna be the one, and I can't wait for you to see them on. So let me just go ahead and try these on for you. Before I show you how they look on, I wanted to show you a comparison in sizing for these shoes, because I know they do look gigantic, and I just want to show you in reference to the Disruptor how big it is. It's still even much bigger than the Disruptor, so it's pretty crazy. If you think you can handle like a super chunky shoes, then I suggest you get these ones if you're looking for that kind of style. I would say that for these shoes, the cushion on these isn't the best actually, because there isn't much of a bounce to it. And for it being such a big shoe itself, I feel that they should have made it a bit more cushionier, so it will help protect, you know, the bottom of your feet, and it will give some comfort to it. However, if you want to add an insole to it, then you can, like a gel insole, to make it a little bit more comfortable if you want more support. However, I would just warn you that this one is pretty thin for the insole. And also this does also have some weight to it. It is a little bit on the heavier side. I would say that I wouldn't suggest to walk in these all day. It might be difficult, but if you just want to show off your style and beauty is pain, then I'm all for it, and I support you. I think you can manage to walk in these all days. However, I think your feet will just be super sore by the end of the day. My size is size 7, and when I wore these, I feel that they do fit on the bigger side. So I would say that the fitting is more like Doc's. They are very similar because I think they're both just European brands, and when I wear brands that are based in Europe, I find that their shoes is maybe like half a size to one size bigger. I still buy my own size 7, because I just feel that's the most safe and comfortable. And if it is a little bit bigger, then I would say to just wear a thick socks or an insole, so it will just fit much more comfortable and nicer. But if you do want to size like half a size down or one size down, I think that it should be able to fit you. I would say that the amount of room that I have between the back of my heel and the shoe is 1 index finger. So that's up to you if you want to size down so you can feel more comfortable in a shoe that fits you really well. As I said, there is also other shoe colors. I actually wanted the black ones a lot because I really like it in the suede. However, I couldn't find it anywhere, and the only 2 that are left actually are in this pink rose color and also the beige color. So if you are interested in purchasing it, I will link everything in the description box below. And also these shoes were on sale, and I was really happy about that because it was already on sale, and then I got an extra 30% off. So these shoes came out to be about $80, and I had free shipping and everything. So if you are interested in these shoes, maybe you can sign up for Puma and they'll give you a discount for signing up, and you can get these shoes for cheaper. And you know, you always like a good deal. Let me know what you think about these shoes. Do you think they're so big and huge, or would you also rock these shoes? And let me know how you would style them, and if you're interested in me making a style book with these shoes, I would be really happy to do that and can't wait to be able to match my outfit with these. Also, let me know your thoughts on what you think about these shoes, or if you have any suggestions of any other shoes that you would like me to check out. I would be more than happy to look at them. And also, if you have any questions about these shoes, just anything, leave it in the comments down below, and I will be sure to reply to all your comments as soon as I can. And if you like this video, please give me a like and a subscribe, and until next time, bye.